Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering up and charging your JBL Quantum 910. This ensures firmware updates won't fail. Once the headset is on, grab your Xbox Series X controller and either fresh batteries or a USB-C cable so you can test wired audio. Make sure you're signed into your Xbox profile. This simplifies settings changes. While the console lacks native Bluetooth for headsets, having the JBL app on your phone lets you update firmware and confirm model details before moving to the console connection steps. You plug the JBL Quantum wireless USB dongle into a front USB port on the Xbox Series X. This gives the headset a direct low-latency link. Next, switch the headset to the dongle pairing mode. Hold the mode button until the LED pulses, because the console will then accept it as a USB audio device. Once the dongle is recognized, go to Profile and System, then Settings, and open Volume and Audio Output to select the USB headset for both chat and game audio so levels route correctly. You finalize by setting chat/game balance and adjusting mic monitoring so you hear your voice without echo. Then make sure spatial sound is off or set to Windows Sonic if you need compatible processing. This avoids double processing and voice delay. If audio drops or the headset isn't detected, update the Quantum 910 firmware using the JBL app, power cycle the Xbox, reinsert the USB dongle, or try another USB port. These steps fix most issues and restore a stable connection fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.